Damn it.
Yeah.
God damn it. Oh, there we go. Alright. See, that was kind of weird. Right, but that's one of the quests, dog.
To get in there?
Yeah. Look.
That's a bum-ass quest then.
It is a bum-ass quest. No, I didn't take a break. The mic, Elgato said no to the mic at some point just now. Alright. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Ready, huh? You ready, huh?
You ready? You ready?
Alright, so here's what needs to happen. We all need to walk through the portal. Whoever doesn't walk through the portal doesn't get to the multiplayer. That's how it works.
Alright, I'm here.
Alright.
Never fear. Chomper's here.
Right? I have the Yeti one.
So is this the last day for the beta?
No, it's the first day. Beta ends on the 18th.
Oh, awesome. Okay. Absolutely. That is precisely what this game is for.
Try the roof. Hardcover parkour. I don't even know what you're saying, Che. Alright. Whoa. I'm getting shot. I know, right?
Oh shit, my bad. I didn't even select this. Oh, I won't even be able to. You gotta play with pure strategery to play the fucking Chomper.
Whoa, niggas is nice.
Yo, you got a shield, Chewy? What the fuck?
Chewy got a lot of things.
Yeah, that shit is the situation.
Oh, I'm getting clapped.
Oh, what the hell is hitting me? Oh, this thing right here.
What?
Oh, cool.
They really
totally
don't like
ate
you,
that
Denny.
guy.
I don't know.
Yo, that pirate nigga don't play.
No, he does not. I can't. Wait, Denny, where are you?
You need
Damn it.
You need know nothing, but
I'm
yes.
coming.
There's
No!
a lot of guys coming right now. And yeah, I just spit some
I just
purple shit
died.
on somebody, and now I'm gonna bite the shit
We're playing
out of
pros right now, dog.
them. Yo, these dudes are nice. Oh no. Oh god. Must burrow now. Help me, Corn. Help me. Oh, you can pop up out the ground and shine. Oh,
Yeah.
it's lit.
Oh my god. I'm never gonna get back over there.
I don't want to be over here anymore. I need like healing. And there's like, I'm sure that barrel has no positive intentions for me at all.
Babe, come here.
Where are you? Oh,
I got you.
Why did I go in the air? What's going on here?
Because that thing pulled you toward
okay.
it.
Cool. Body. This robot's chasing me, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna burrow and get underneath him.
Huh.
I can't.
Look at my sweet lifeless body.
Oh,
Look
I
at
can't
this.
attack it. Okay. Wow. Oh, so obviously you can't eat that nigga because he's too big or
Right.
something. Yeah, all right, I get
You
it.
just gotta shoot.
But wait, so is that like somebody who has a really high level that has a zombie inside a mech suit? Like, is that what that is?
You gotta unlock. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
He's in there
Yeah,
for.
that's a special ability. Okay, I see. How much you chew?
I got you.
How did money get on top of the roof up here?
Damn it. Stupid imp. God damn it.
I'm trying to stay with you.
It was a little fucking imp. He just this spinning thing.
Yo, that Citron is awesome.
Mad annoying.
I'll get the fuck out this dude. Oh no. Oh, they can still shoot me when I'm on the ground.
Dude, they can shoot you anytime, apparently. All I'm doing is healing. I can't kill anybody. I'll be the res guy. Yo, behind us.
I'm gonna rock the Citron too.
forgot about my my
And
beam.
yeah, he has an infinite Frosty Beam, yeah. The Frosty Beam is infinite, so that's the basis to use him hard. Yes, indeed. That's the instantly what I thought of the same. Okay, I don't want to go over there. There's way too much
Alright,
happening.
I'm coming.
Of course.
Alright.
What you doing? Oh, where did you body? Oh, dude. Got him.
We never left. Back like we never left. And a pot.
Oh, this nigga's behind us. Oh. Wow. Scientist with the triple barrel.
No, I don't want to do it. I don't want it. I don't want it. Chewy, stay still so I can heal you. God damn it.
I think like fucking half the other team is playing that class.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Aw, damn it. Fucking butter bombs.
Wow, dude.
Jesus.
Yo, pros. Pros.
No, that's it.
Yo, deadass pros. We're playing pros right now.
It wasn't bad.
Okay.
Yeah, that shit sucks. Yeah, and people just use it as a combo.
Yeah, that's what somebody actually killed me with at the end of the game, so.
Yep, super close game.
I'm gonna run one more with you guys and actually play like I have some sense. Or make an attempt to. Yeah, I gotta go run around a little bit.
Oh, damn it. I always remember about the sticker shop when it's too late.
Word. I don't know what the fuck you're talking about with word. The shop is what actually gives you, you know, stuff.
Yeah, you can buy stuff
too
though.
late.
Hopefully.
No, I'm sure that there's like, I could see the potential to be like really nasty with the majority of the plants, but it's all about like team comp. Like I think
yeah,
you know,
it is.
the fucking
And it's about that
really
support.
Well. Oh, we are
Oh,
zombies.
it's lit.
Nick, he hype, he hype. Yeah, he kind of is, like, really. Yeah. As well. Oh, he's kind of fast as well. Oh, and he has a jetpack jump? Get the fuck out of here.
You're about to be hella annoying, huh?
Oh, and I have every intention of doing so. Go for the flank. Oh, it's like, actually, trigger speed matters. So,
Why can't I res? I like that this corn just ran by me.
yo, why do I have a little bit of health though?
Oh, damn it!
Is somebody healing me? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
I'm hoping that you survive
obviously,
long enough
yeah.
to do the super.
Yo, this shit is mad hectic. Sometimes I don't know.
What the fuck is going
Yeah, I
on?
forget
Yeah,
that
still.
I'm out of plans.
I spent many a game shooting my teammates. Don't
Yeah.
feel.
Oh, you clapped.
All right, Danny. I'm gonna tether you,
Yo, Chewy,
Halo.
did you get a
Destiny
medal
style.
for triple kill?
No. Shoot this rose, Danny.
Ah. Woohoo.
Yay.
Or some shit.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, but that gun though.
Yeah, the gun of the other is solid.
Yeah. There's a corn in the street. Things I never thought I'd have to say.
Exactly.
Oh shit, there's a corn in here, help!
There's a corn in here. Sentences you never thought you'd say in 2016.
There's a rose in here also.
Is this corn guy like doing
it.
some kind of shield? Like what the hell is that?
Yeah, he can jump over you and like shoot.
As you can pull the trigger. Yeah, exactly. I realized that just now.
I'm just focusing on healing.
Whoa, what kind of giant robot
Yo, wait.
factory? Who is bodying me?
Yo, what the fuck? Way too far away.
Alright, I don't even want to go down there. It's just quite critical right now.
No, damn it. That shit rolls on you once and you die?
Yes.
This is some bullshit.
Feel the power.
Word. Feels good, man. I appreciate you, DJ. Thank you. Oh, shit.
Oh, wow. He clapped me.
Get this tether. Watch it. Watch it. Denny, hold up. Let me give you some health. Corn coming in. Yo, another ball coming in. Watch it. I know, right? I'm gonna die and shit.
Oh.
Oh, God.
Yo! Niggas is just mad stronger than me, dude. Like, seriously.
Yep. Oh, niggas is getting sniped! Don't try to challenge the guy sniping over there. What the flip?
Okay, so is this giant robot walking around? It's probably not friendly, right?
Oh my god.
Okay. No, I mean like totally giant, like as big as
Jesus.
the map. Like it just got produced by some
Yeah,
machine.
super big.
Yeah.
I'm reviving mad much. Corn coming from the backyard.
What is hitting me?
There's 2 orange guys and a cactus back here. And corn. Denny, get this tether. I'm with
he
you.
has a fucking shoulder
Where you
charge.
going? Oh no! Oh, we got blown up on a potato. All day, D. All day. Thank you. Yeah, we gotta go. We gotta get out of here. Turns corner, dies. Maybe somebody will no, let me just... Mad X's out there. I wish this shit was like a smite faster, just like...
No.
Careful out there, Denny. And you, babe.
Yeah,
Don't go over there. It's not safe. Long story short.
Yay.
Yay!
Right, that's where a lot, I would say 70% of my confusion was coming from that giant robot. I'm like, alright, so what is this here for? This is just like a map element? I don't know what's happening here. Yeah, I did.